Hi guys, welcome back to Blanco Barbecue. I'm Andy. Today we are going to make the ultimate burger sauce. It's tangy, it's sharp, it's a little bit sweet, but the best bit is it's really simple to make. It takes about 5 minutes. It's got like 6 ingredients and it is awesome. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so to make the ultimate burger sauce then, into a bowl we're going to need some yellow mustard. I'm just using French's, but we'll go in about 50% mustard. Next up, we'll go in mayonnaise. We'll go in about 25% mayonnaise. And then ketchup. We'll go in about 25% ketchup. So we've got like the trinity of sauces. And then to top it off, we'll go in with a couple of splashes of hot sauce in there. You can use whatever you want. That is Cholula that's gone in there. So that is the basis of our sauce. As we all know, burgers need sauce. It's just a fact. Nobody wants some dry ass burger. So next stage, we said we're going to make this the ultimate burger sauce, not just sauce. So that's going to chill out there for a minute. We're going to move that to the side and we're going to get the rest of the ingredients done. So in our sauce, we are going to have some onion. So we're going to top and tail that. We don't want anything too crazy. Get out of the way, you're going to cut it in half. Peel that. We're only going to need half of this today. You can keep the other half for something else later. And because it's going in the sauce, you're going to want to be cutting this super fine. So I'm going to cut on that side, cut down there, so watch your fingers. And then cutting down the middle. And then we're going to want to get a really fine dice on that. That's going to be about it. Alright, so the next day, once you've got a really fine dice on your onions, we're probably only going to need like half of those. We're going to move them to the side and then get into the next and final ingredient. So the next and final ingredient is going to be the humble pickle. So top and tail that. Obviously pickles are amazing, but if you're really not about that pickle life, then leave this part out. But we're just going to dice that pretty thin on there. We're going to cut that into little strips, and again get a real fine dice on there. So there's your pickles. Gonna push them to one side. Then we're gonna bring back to the party our trinity of sauces. And you can probably guess what's gonna happen next. We're going to add the ingredient that I forgot to mention, which is a little bit of salt. So don't go too crazy because those sauces have already got salt in. But then we're going to add a handful of the onions, or a pinch, more like pinch of the pickles. We'll get a little bit more in there actually. And then last final step, we're going to incorporate that. Give it all a real good whisk. And there is a bowl of the most awesome burger sauce you have ever tasted. So there you go guys. The most awesome burger sauce in less than 10 minutes with ingredients that you've already got at home. Try it on your next burger. If you did like the video, please leave us a like, leave us a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you stay up to date with all the new videos. That's it, I'm out.